After creating the new floor object, you should see it in the Properties dialog box. If not, you will need to select the floor options and select the one that says 2x8 floor joist with 3/4 inch subfloor. It will either be in your most recently used floors or in the list of floors. What you should notice is that your finished floor 1 view is now gray. This will allow you to make selections to start or lay out the floor. In your draw area of your ribbon, you want to select the one that says pick walls, because the boundary of your floors will be determined by the exterior walls that you select. You have the check beside extend into wall to the core. Bring your cursor into the model and select the exterior wall. So when you make your selection on the wall, make sure that this green dotted line lines up with the face of the stud that is closest to the exterior of the wall. So you will select this wall, and again, when you select the horizontal wall here, make sure that the green dotted line is lined up with the exterior face of the stud. You'll click there, and what you should see is a magenta line appear where you're clicking. And then in your mode panel of your ribbon, you want to click on the green check to finish. If you do not see this green check or red X, you may need to select your minimize button here. You may have to select it several times in order to see the green check and the red X for the mode. So click on the green check to finish the floor. Would you like the walls to go up to this floor level to attach to its bottom? We will select no for this option, and then you should see your floor system appear. We will need to create what is called a building section to make sure that our floor system was installed correctly. To create a building section, you will need to select your View tab. In the Create panel of the View ribbon, you will select Section. So you will select Building Section. You will take your cursor and move it above the model and click and pull it straight down to the bottom of the model and click again. Over in the project browser, you will scroll down, and now you should see an option that says Sections, Building Section. If you click on the plus to expand that, you should see one that says something like Section 1 or Section 2 or Section 3. Double click on Section 1 to activate that particular view. For the view scale, we will change this to say 1/2 of an inch equals 1 foot. Click on Apply. Also, beside the scale here at the bottom left corner, we will move over one icon for the detail level. we will change the detail level from coarse to medium. We can do that here, or we could do it in the properties section where it says detail level. We can change it from coarse to medium and click on apply. You can scroll in to your model or into the section view, and what you are looking for is to make sure that your floor object goes under the wall and to the face of the stud that is closest to the exterior side of the wall. You want to make sure that your floor system lines up with this line that represents the stud. Make sure that the floor system lines up with the face of the stud for the exterior wall. You will notice that the joists line up with the stud for the exterior wall. In the wall detail, that also shows you that the floor system goes to the exterior face of the stud